Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 12 of the Onsen Egg Hunt in Heartopia, as well as where the like furniture bubble is located. For the egg, you're just going to, you're going to turn left, and you'll see the egg over here, like near this plant. Again, take a picture. This is the 12th egg, okay? And then for the bubble, it's actually not located far. It's near house 8, so we're going to go there. And you will find the bubble like here near this like tent sign. Just wait till like the bubble goes down so you are able to reach it like here and just jump. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!